Hey guys, it's me Felicia, and today we're back with a studio vlog. So let me explain a bit. Right now it's Monday the 22nd of February and it's 8:55. I need to log in on the Discord because I have class at 9 and we are doing this week oil paints, so that's actually pretty exciting. But there's a twist, we're only doing in black and white. So a bit less interesting. But I've never done oil paints, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. And pretty recently I decided to fix myself a schedule because since I'm staying home and I have so much time on my hands now, I feel like I'm not actually utilizing it correctly. So let me break it down for you. I said that I would start filming studio vlogs each week or each 2 weeks, I'm not sure yet, from Monday to Saturday, or maybe a bit of Sunday, and then I give myself 2 days to edit my videos. I also decided that I would film some other more sitting down chit chat video on Sundays, which I also need to edit in 2 days. To then potentially, I'm not really sure about that yet, do some Twitch streams, ideally Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and do my best to post every day. So that's what I'm trying to stick to. So anyways, I guess we'll just start the day. Okay, so just to show you guys, I did my very first oil paint painting, I guess. It's very weird and different to acrylic and watercolors, so I'm a little bit lost. But I'm pretty happy with the result. That's cool. And you can see right here, my cat, that's just chilling with me. And yeah. So I've been this morning pretty much jungling between painting, editing my video, and all that I'm missing is the B-roll, and that's pretty much it. I can export it after that. So that's very exciting because that means it only took me, 2 days, not even, to film, to edit it and film it. So I'm happy that I'm able to keep the schedule. So right now the plan is to take pictures of my sketchbook so I can post on Instagram the spreads, because I realized that I've been not posting a while on Instagram, but I have so much sketchbook spreads to post, but I just never take pictures of them. So I'm gonna prepare that and save them in advance so that I can just post them each day. And yeah, then I'll try to film the B-roll, but I'm not sure I'll be able to do that today. We'll see. des Lomtre ces dernières heures. Sur une toile comme ça, j'ai envie de... So I woke up at 8 a.m. like always to log into my class at 9, and then realizing that my teacher isn't there, and 15 minutes later he shows up and tells us that he'll only be here for an hour because he has some other things to do. So big oof, I guess, because we're supposed to have class from 9 to 6 p.m. So he told us to do a couple of things, but I decided that scratch that because he's not even gonna check it anyways. I'd rather do the final assignment directly so that I can be free and spend more time on whatever I want to do next week actually, rather than working on this. I did the face pretty much, and now I'm kind of stuck with the hair and the fabric to do, and it's such a pain to do. And also I want to get it done as quickly as possible because on Sunday my family and my boyfriend's family are coming over, so that we have like a nice dinner because they've actually never officially met on both sides, and like had a proper sit-down dinner in our flat. So that's pretty cool, and I kind of want this mess to be freed as quickly as possible. So ideally I'd be done with this tonight, and it's 5 p.m. So I guess I'm gonna continue. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This is it for the studio vlog. I'm actually filming this like a week later because it was a pain to edit. I'm sorry if it wasn't that interesting and that my editing was very, very minimal because it was very boring to do. The thing is, during that week since I had class, all I was doing was painting, 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 and literally nothing else. So wasn't much to do. But nevertheless, if you liked it, give it a like if you like. You can also subscribe to this channel because I'm posting every single week. I'm currently posting every Monday at 12 p.m. French time, so GMT +1. I'm also posting on Instagram every day because it's where I put my drawings and where I'm the most active, so you can check that out in the description. There's all my links. There's also Twitch, and yeah. Also, here's the final result of the portrait painting that you saw me paint just before. I'm pretty proud of it, and I finished it on Saturday, pretty much morning, so that meant that for my 2 weeks remaining of not having class, I can do absolutely anything I want, so you'll see that in the next studio vlog. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say. See you next time. Tschüss!